Welcome to MickeyBFresh.com, the new website for Flare Network, Songbird, and the XRP Ledger community for educational content and resources. We have an unprecedented opportunity here in 2023. There's exciting and rapid change coming at a pace that we cannot comprehend. So I've brought together a team of diverse individuals that bring different skills to the website. We have Pragi, who is our amazing smart contract and Solidity developer. And then we have Dip Collector as the team and project manager. And then we have the amazingly talented SynArts as our digital artist. And then we have rising star in the Flare community with unprecedented knowledge, who goes by Ash and DeFi Banker on Twitter. We've also brought together 10 admins from the Mickey B. Fresh Patreon group to help put together additional content in blogs and opinion pieces to really give a scope of what's coming from the Flare network launch and build out, and then the XRP Ledger's explosion that's going to come in 2023 from the build out of a best-in-class platform for development and opportunity. We have sidechains, we have automated market makers, we have NFTs, we have cross-chain interoperability, we have bridges, we have EVM sidechains, we got hooks, and so much more. It's coming, and we need to be there to provide the content because so much is going to change. That content and that understanding from what is happening is going to be really important going forward in 2023. This is unprecedented times of change and disruption taking place within the community. To truly understand what is going on, you're going to have to expand your horizons and look beyond 2018 and 2019 because things are already have changed. Now they're just rapidly advancing. There's so much development happening, and there's a pivot by RippleX towards crypto and Web3, and we are moving from being fans to being investors to being participants to being ultimately citizens on these networks and these communities to bring value and utility to these networks, but also for us to capitalize on the opportunity along with the community that we have. So we are excited to launch the new website that is an educational resource for the entire Flare, XRP Ledger, and Songbird communities, and it is free to access for everyone. The table is being set for explosive growth, explosive adoption, interoperability from groundbreaking new technologies and financial products, as well as liquidity services that were unimaginable just a few years ago. Welcome to MickeyBFresh.com. Welcome to the DeFi Standard, and this is Mickey B. Fresh. The key facts that you need to know about the Flare network is built for universal connectivity. Flare addresses the core interoperability issues facing the blockchain today, allowing assets and information to flow freely and securely between blockchains. The first protocol to know is the state connector, is the first consensus protocol purpose-built for external data. Flare's state connector can rapidly come to consensus on the state of on-chain data sources, making it more secure than existing approaches. So this means the underlying consensus of the Flare blockchain is able to come to consensus of the data that it pulls in from other blockchains. This is novel and unique and has not been done in the industry yet and will lead to cross-chain decentralized applications. Then we have the Flare Time Series Oracle, also known as the FTSO, which is a decentralized data Most DeFi still embeds the risk of relying on centralized Oracle solutions for price feeds. The FTSO leverages the decentralized structure of the Flare network to secure reliable and decentralized price data to dApps on Flare. And we have trustless interoperability. Both the state connector and the Flare time series Oracle have been designed to decentralization at their core, incentivizing independent third parties to support the network with reliable provision of data. And this is so important that this solves the Oracle problem. By decentralizing the data coming into the network on Flare and also to the applications is key to build a foundation for a robust ecosystem of DeFi and other applications. Native interoperability. The state connector and Flare time series Oracle are fully composable, updatable, and built natively into the Flare blockchain. This removes the risks and complexity of needing to integrate off-chain interoperability layers. Being built into the blockchain is key because it's right there, any application to tap right into it. Then we have Layer Cake. This is the protocol for connecting to other smart contract networks. It's a decentralized, multilateral, and insured bridging. Layer Cake bridging will be insured, enabling smart contract assets to move safely and securely between chains. Bridging that unifies rather than fragments liquidity. No matter what the origin of the chain, the destination token is the same. So ETH bridged to Solana will always give you Solana ETH, regardless of the chain it was bridged from. So it's the same asset that's on all different chains. When it issues it, it's just one smart contract. Secured information relay for cross-chain composability. Now, this is one of the 3 products that they're building: F-Assets, Relayer, and Layer Cake. So staked relay of data between multiple chains, including Flare, providing secure two-way interoperability. Instead of relying on governance, secured relay will have an automated slashing of faulty relay nodes through the state connector's ability to prove what any node has relayed to another chain. So this is possible because of the state connector. So the relayers are a product built off of the state connector contracts and protocol. Unlocking value in non-smart contract chains. Now, this is the F-Asset system. 2/3 of the total value of all blockchains is in non-smart contract chains. With F-Assets, holders will be able to bridge tokens like BTC, XRP, and Doge onto Flare and participate in DeFi, NFTs, and more. They also earn an incentive reward for bringing it onto Flare as well. Deploy once and access value of multiple ecosystems. The industry standard EVM makes it easy to build applications on Flare that can access the value, liquidity, and information from multiple blockchains. That is such a powerful thing, and we have not seen anyone truly being able to accomplish that. So Flare has raised the bar to the top with the ambitions of connect everything. Scalable smart contracts, truly decentralized price feeds, secure state acquisition from other blockchains, superior bridging, secure data relay, and fully interoperable multi-chain ecosystems. These are the problems that Flare is trying to solve with their protocols and different products that are being built on those protocols. So this extends out the usability of FLR, the token, and also of the Flare network. The more value and the more applications that are built on Flare and its protocols, the more value the underlying network is going to have. And its security being robust, that's why it's very key that the network launches fully decentralized its own set of independent validators, because they're incentivized as well. Being decentralized at the core is so important for all of this to work. And all the protocols are built in a way that they're trustless and decentralized and open. So it means anybody can be an agent in the FS system. Anybody can be a bandwidth provider. Anybody can be in the relayer. So there's no limitations on who can do what. There's just the limitations on the capabilities. And certain entities will be better than others. But this open access and decentralized trustlessness is at the core of everything that is built with Flare, including the governance of the Flare network, which is a DAO. So that's a decentralized autonomous organization. The community votes